Hello and welcome back to Arunachal Mirror. I'm JT Tagam, and today I have with me two multi-talented personality from our state. First, we have Miss Milo Sumka, who is an artist and who made her debut in Bollywood with the film Akhuni. And we also have with us Mr. Nending Laji, who is the director of the short film Stranded, and who also happens to be the co-founder of the Unicorn Event Management. The short film Stranded has been made very recently during the pandemic. So today we are here to discuss about this short film. So first, my question goes to Ms. Sumka. Can you tell us about your experience of working in Akhuni and working in a local production like The Stranded?
First of all, thank you, Sunil, for inviting us here. Working in Akhuni was it was very nerve-wracking for me because it was my first time ever doing anything like that. I hadn't even acted before also. I did theatre for a few years way before Akhuni happened, but then it had been a long time since I had left theatre and I'd got into other ventures. Akhuni happened by chance, and I had zero knowledge of camera ka angles, and there's something called sound mixing, sound design, and then there is sets. इतना सारा लोग होता है set पे, so I had no idea कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. But then I think it was like pure luck that I got the film because I just auditioned from Arunachal. I was in my friend's cafe coffee tribe and I auditioned from there like late in the night. It was almost 12 in the night when I auditioned, and I sent it to them, and then I get a call back after 2 weeks, and then ho gaya, then the film happened. It was a very good experience. I think that was the first it was the first job that gave me 100% satisfaction. It is very tiring. It takes a long time to get even a single shot done. Even if you're in the screen for 3 seconds, you have to wait for the whole day for them to call you and get the set ready and for you to go. And obviously I was not even the secondary lead nor like the primary lead. I was one of the whatever background actors. So उस हिसाब से I got to learn a lot from the film, and also I've made great friends. The whole cast of Akhuni, we have all become very great friends. So Mumbai mein, it's become like a family. Every day, not every day, every week we try and meet up and have dinner together. And working in local production, I have wanted to work in Arunachal for quite some time now. I came very close once working, but then it just did not happen. It didn't work out. And then Lazi came out of the blue, and I had no idea that he was interested in films and had wanted to do something of his own and create his own film or something like that. I had no idea about it, and he contacted me out of the blue, and he's like, I have a script ready, do you want to read it? I was like, chalo dekhte hain, right? And then came to Coffee Tribe, and then again gave me the script, and I just fell in love with the script.
Okay. So now my question goes to Laji. What inspired you to make this particular film, Stranded, being an event manager in the past?
It's not like there was something which inspired me, and I suddenly got interested in movie making. पहले से interest तो था. I was going through one script already. I already told my DOP Nyago about it. Like I have a script. I want to make a movie. That was long before this pandemic started. लेकिन इस दौरान हमको ये plot मिला, ये story मिला, and I really liked it. तो हम सोचा instead of making a feature film, let me try on short movie, which was advised by Nyago also, कि भैया feature film बनने से पहले एक short film में try कर लो.
Yes.
So that's it.
So my next question is to Sumka. What actually convinced you to work in this Stranded? Did you go through the script?
Yes. The story.
The story.
For me, in the film, the story is the winner. And then I think after that, the technical team comes, and then after that, the actors come. But the story is the winner all the way through. So I read the script, and I did not lift my head from till the last page was read. So yeah, for me the
And
story
I was
really.
standing behind.
You decided in a day or in hours?
No, I read the script, and then I was like, chalo karte
It was
hain.
hardly half an hour, I guess.
Yeah, half an hour. It took me half an hour to 40 minutes to read the script, and by the end of the script, I was like, chalo karte hain.
The first question she asked was like, who, like, किसने ये script लिया? And I was like nervous, like, अरे क्या हो गया? कुछ like, did I कुछ गलत लिख दिया क्या? No, it's nice, let's do it. Like I was happy, चलो करते हैं.
So I want to ask this particular question to you regarding from an event manager to a filmmaker. So can you share us about your experiences and the contrasting experience you have been through from an event manager to a filmmaker?
Yeah, during this movie, one of my technician उसने बोला था भैया अभी तो मालूम हो गया हो कि मूवी मेकिंग बहुत तकलीफ है, इवेंट से ज़्यादा तकलीफ है. या आई एग्रीड. हम उसको ये भी बोला कि नो वर्क इज इजी ना, हर काम तो तकलीफ होता है, लेकिन दोनों में एक डिफरेंस है. व्हेन वी डू इवेंट, एक टैगलाइन है ना, शो मस्ट गो ऑन. वी डोंट हैव रीटेक नहीं होता. वंस द शो स्टार्ट्स, खत्म करना ही है. एंड इन मूवी इफ यू डोंट लाइक द टेक, यू कैन रीटेक इट. एडिटिंग में भी लोगों को दिखाई देगा. देन यू कैन कॉल योर कास्ट एंड से कि हमको ये फिर से दोबारा रीटेक लेना है. फिर पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन, आप स्क्रीनिंग का बाद भी आपको कुछ कुछ अगर पार्ट्स अच्छा नहीं लगा तो यू कैन री एडिट इट. लेकिन बट इन लाइव इवेंट अगर एक शो शुरू हो चुका है तो वी कैन स्टॉप इट. तो रिस्क इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है वहाँ पे. तो ये एक डिफरेंस है.
So what how did you decide to be a filmmaker? Was it due to the pandemic or this is a very specific question, the
Yeah, even few of my friends say that कि अच्छा पेंडेमिक है तो इवेंट मैनेजमेंट से अभी यहाँ आ गए. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, इट्स नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम कि हम ये कुछ बनाएगा सोचा है. आई ऑलरेडी हैड ए प्लान, हमको मूवी एक बनाना है. तो इट वाज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड विद न्यागो एटे, कातुंग भैया. उन लोगों को पहले से बोला था भैया हम इंटरेस्ट है, फ्यूचर में हमको साथ में करना है. एंड दैट स्क्रिप्ट इट्स स्टिल पेंडिंग.
Yes.
वो पहले शुरू किया था लॉन्ग बिफोर दिस पेंडेमिक. लेकिन ये कहानी आया तो आई गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन दिस शॉर्ट मूवी. फिर वो अभी भी पेंडिंग है, बट देखते हैं क्या होता है.
My fourth question to you is like, you being an artist, you being an I mean to say a prospering artist from our state. What is the scope of filmmaking in our state? As a filmmaker, also as an artist.
Like any other film industry, whether it's Hindi, regional ho, Bhojpuri, Malayalam, Tamil, जो भी है, when they all started, it was the same thing, right? Abhi jo what we are facing, right? The situation right now, there are a lot of people very passionate about filmmaking in Arunachal, and really great actors also, and wonderful stories. It's not like story, it may not be urban story, office mein kaam karne wala aisa, lekin the stories that come from the villages, from our folk tales to like personal experience, from the struggles that we do and go through every day here, that's more than enough content for people to work on and and develop it and make a film. So even like you take the case of Stranded also, it's not an extraordinary story, but there is the level of humanity, humanity ka angle in Stranded is so high, and that attracted me, right? And then for me it was like, यहाँ पे people, because the life is hard here, harder than बाकी cities से या बाकी towns से, life is harder in Arunachal. So it's like the thing of हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे. They have this there is a resilience among the people, क्योंकि opportunities भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, infrastructure भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, and फैसिलिटीज भी इतना ज़्यादा है, बट फिर भी काम चला लेते हैं कहीं ना कहीं से, दे सोल्यूशन निकाल के, उपाय निकाल के काम चला लेते हैं. तो दोस्त इटसेल्फ इज लाइक ग्रेट स्टोरीज. यार तुमको उसको स्क्रीन में दिखाएगा एंड देन यू शो इट टू द वर्ल्ड, that's when they will have a window into how the life is here. So there is a huge scope, but I just feel kabhi ki people they get conscious about हम लोग we have our own Arunachali Hindi ना, अपना ही style है, right? अपना ही grammar है, ना अपना ही flow है, एक बात करने का तरीका है, which is amazing, which I think we should all start being proud about and not be ashamed of. क्योंकि there are some local cinemas जहाँ पे the accent तो है, local accent भी है, and then even they're so used to speaking हम लोग का local Arunachali Hindi, but then when you try to put it on screen, they try to make it the pure Hindi, the more mainstream national media wala Hindi. Then that's where I feel like तुम difference of culture दिखाई देता है directly, and then you may not be able to put across your point first. So it's like कहानी यहाँ से है, actors यहाँ से है, यहाँ का filmmakers यहाँ से है, set यहाँ पे है, जगह यहाँ पे है, but then जो भाषा है वो कहीं और से
कहीं
है.
और का है.
तो एक मीडियम जो है बात करने का थ्रू फिल्म, अगर उसको तुम कहीं और से ले रहे हो, देन इट्स लाइक कहानी कहीं गुम हो जाता है. यू विल नॉट डू जस्टिस टू द कहानी. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. तुम बी प्राउड ऑफ वेयर यू फ्रॉम.
Okay. So Laji, can you tell us about how much time it did take to make the film Stranded, and how many artists were involved? Or also we have seen in the posters that you have roped in some of the finest actors and filmmakers of our state. So how did you manage to rope in all these people together?
It started in May, I guess. It started in May, and including post-production, almost 3 months. Post-production में समय थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिया, because थोड़ा बहुत कुछ काम किया. And yeah, I was little particular about the casting. Our casting director Takam Ropuk, उससे जब भी बात करता था, we used to discuss, ये main character है, I used to show him ये pictures, these are the main characters, ऐसे इसका character किसको pitch in करें. Then Sunka was in our mind, then Chobin, then Dokin Randa, फिर एवेंडेलिन था, ये सब था. तो it's based on the story, हम लोग we tried to recreate the cast. And talking about the technicians, I tried to get the best out of it. So that's how, like, we have Chakke, we have Takkar, we have Hagai, we have Katungbaya, we have Nyago, we have Morto, then we have Nejing, and we have Yachangchen as Edia. So like, कोशिश किया अच्छा बनेगा. So like, at least we can try for like next level. जो मोनोटोनस हो रहा है उससे थोड़ा आगे जा सकते हैं. कोशिश किया, we tried. Hope people like it. देखते हैं.
So how was your experience working with the fellow artists in the film?
So I did not have many scenes with the two younger boys, Karka and Jumken. But with Chobin, a lot of my scenes were with Chobin and Dogin and also Prem. It was a lot of fun. Kyunki it was for me also, it was the first time experience over here, and I think even for Lazi as a director. So it was fun to see how everyone was. It was fun kyunki everyone was helping each other out. I felt that was like, हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, it's okay, ये अच्छा नहीं चला है फिर से. And then he was very patient. Lazi was very patient with a lot of us, and that was really nice. And क्योंकि I've mentioned this before also एक बार कि I've always seen him physically create another client's vision, na? Because he's done events for so long. But now this time he was physically manifesting his own creation, na? And then we were just helping him with it. But he was very patient with all of us. There were a lot of times हम लोग deviate होके कहीं और भी चला जाता था मस्ती हंसी मजाक में.
Yes.
So much fun.
Okay, so Laji, I want to know from this regarding the film's duration, when it is releasing and where it is being released.
Okay, the short movie Stranded, it will premiere on Arunachal's first OTT platform, which is built by Nissan Koyu. OTT का नाम है Flixjar. It's available in Android, and it will premiere on September 13. And movie is about approx 26 minutes. बहुत छोटा है. And फिलहाल Android के लिए है, but going forward it will be available for iOS, then desktop version भी आ जाएगा. So फिलहाल Android के लिए है, and it will premiere on September 30. I'm repeating that, okay, again and again. September 30, Flixjar.
So my additional question is, what if someone who doesn't have internet access and if they want to watch this film?
फिलहाल तो OTT का ही प्लान है, आगे देखते हैं, like let's see क्या होता है.
Okay. So finally, before we conclude, I want to have, do you want to say something to our viewers regarding the film and filmmaking in our state?
Filmmaking के बारे में तो I don't think I'm the right person क्योंकि even I just got into this field ना. But about the film, please देखिएगा. Stranded release हो रहा है September 30th को Flixstar app पे. It's a beautiful story and I hope it will. I am very sure it will connect with everyone. तो प्यार से देख लीजिएगा. It's our first time trying out something new. It's a short film and बहुत प्यार और मेहनत डाला है इस फिल्म में तो प्लीज देखिएगा, सपोर्ट कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, both of you, for coming
Thank
to
you.
Arunachal Mirror. I wish all the best. I extend my best wishes to both of you for the film and for your future projects.
Thank you.
So keep watching Arunachal Mirror for more stories and more updates on our state. Thank you.